some people are so ignorant. So ignorant. And some people are so foolish even. Let me give you an example. You see, in Winnipeg, or not in Winnipeg, but in Manitoba right now, there are fires all over the place. I don't know how many fires, in the hundreds. Okay? And most recently, I think I heard that 2 people died in the fires. Okay? I mean, it's not good news. That's sad news for sure. But I just want you to see the situation here. The emergency officials make announcements everywhere for people to leave their homes, in the fire zones, you see, and they go there to evacuate them. Ask, please leave. Okay? But some people, I don't know what they think. They think like they are kind of untouchable.